everyone, this is Jordan here at pureelliottwave.com, and I just wanted to bring to you some more examples of our previous gold calls in the past, because you see a lot of Elliott Wave analysts out there, especially on YouTube, that break so many rules and you don't know it because you potentially don't know all of the Elliott rules by heart like we do here. So I'd like to show you how our analysis is different and some great examples from the past 2 years on our gold counts, which we're not right 100% of the time, but with our methodology we have really high probabilities and you have clear risk levels that you can form your trading strategy off of. So let's begin on this chart here, which is the beginning of a triangle. You can see intermediate A complete at the bottom and intermediate B, the black, moving upwards as a double zigzag, W, X, and Y at minor degree. And when you get a correction that has a zigzag for A and then another zigzag combination for the B wave, what we look at is the depth of the B wave compared to the A wave. So that depth of the B wave guided us moving forward to consider a contracting regular triangle. Now let's play that GIF for you. Is it GIF? GIF? I don't know. Let's play that GIF for you moving forward and see what unfolded. In this scenario, we were able to use the previous trend line and the extension of minor A to try to guesstimate the bottom for the C wave. That C wave did make a lower low, and then we had upward momentum. Now you might say, wow, they caught one turn in a triangle. That is not very good. But let's go to the next chart and I'll show you the rest of this triangle playing out. Now, a few days later in the triangle, starting on January 7th, 2022, we realized that there was a clean impulse upwards for minor wave A, and then the overlapping prices followed by a large bearish engulfing candlestick at the top there told us that there may be a technical high, which caused us to label this as an expanding flat as A, B, and C at minor level. We are expecting one more wave up, and we have an invalidation very close below. Let's play out this GIF. Now this is a beautiful example of counting the internal structure and following the Elliott Wave rules to a T and not violating them. Some may call it luck, but we call it pure Elliott Wave. This next example starts on the 11th of March 2022, following a spike top in gold. Wondering maybe the trend will continue? Well, we had an answer for you. Not only did the technicals agree with this, but the Elliott Wave count finished nicely as well. And if you risked based off the internal structure in this first impulse, you probably would have had a great risk reward. Let's see what happened. It's not every day that you get to predict a $60 gold drop confidently. That would have been an insane profit with some futures contracts. Let's move on to the next chart that continues a few days later. The last chart ended at the beginning of April. Now we're on April 22nd, just a few days later. We have a completed corrective structure, and whenever we are going into these third wave positions, we like to warn our subscribers of some more potential volatility. Let's see what happened. Looks like volatility did increase with price to the downside, and we did label this as a completed 1 and 2 wave because wave 1 did not move far enough down, so we're still looking for that third wave moving forward. On to the next chart. This chart starts January 6, 2023, just a few months ago, and after we had an incomplete motive structure to the upside, we have a ton of overlapping, and we are yet to reach the third wave of minor wave 5. So you're about to see almost $100 move in gold that we predicted at this time. Let's play the clip. Just watching that clip makes me want to long the market because, as you might know, you could risk off the bottom of the second waves and the structure would have not broken Elliott wave rules and you could have ridden it up $100. So pretty amazing stuff right there. Let's move on to the last clip. Starting 19th May 2023, you see this chart already starts off crazy. We have a really close risk. It's like a $5 risk from the invalidation point to the top of minor wave C. We have updated the wave count here, and we are expecting a downward move. And this is another one of those times where the market moves $100 and your risk is so small that it is an amazing opportunity. Let's play the GIF. So that was truly an awesome opportunity if you had the information there. Alright, so if you'd like to see what the market has done in our predictions since then, we actually uploaded a video on the 29th of June, so you can see what our predictions were throughout June and how those played out. If you'd like to join us for this journey through the gold markets, click on the link below right now and sign up to our email list. And you'll be notified, but you won't be notified of launch. You'll actually be notified of a special grandfather rate that's only available next month for 48 hours. So we'll be sending out an email in July letting you know when that special launch offer comes up, and it'll only be available for a limited time. You'll be able to maintain that subscription rate while your subscription is active with us. So as you've seen here, and as you've seen in the past, we have made some absolute crazy calls. So we're looking forward to more of those in the future and providing you with some great analysis. That's all from me, Jordan at Pure Elliott Wave. See you all next time.